Hi guys, this is Elsie and you're watching Elsie Tutorial. So ito na nga yung room guys na in-upload ko sa aking community tab. Medyo weird at kakaiba itong room na ito dahil ito lang naman yung mga applications niya. Ito lang yung mga bloatwares and makikita talaga natin dyan na kakaiba siya. Wala po siyang messaging app. And another info guys is the room is or doesn't came up with Google Apps. So bloatwares lang talaga niya ito. We have here Total Launcher, Telegram Post, TC, Silent Settings, K9 Mail, JParks, Gallery, Files, Gallery, and F-Fold, Dialer, Delve X5, here, Calendar, and any soft keyboard. So punta naman tayo sa settings. So here you go. Ito lang yung mga options niya sa settings. We have pitch, treble settings. Ayan. And punta tayo sa about phone. So about phone is this room is called LeOS. Here, the name. Created by Harvey186 and under version of 11. So Android Arc ito. Ayan. This is Android R and the kernel I use is Edge kernel version 1. Ayan yung December 5 niyang security patch, and that's all. But ito naman yung mga working niya guys. Working po yung SIM cards, as you can see here. Meron po siyang signal which is nadidetect po yan yung mga SIM cards, and working din po yung data connection, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and also the sound, pati din yung mga dark mode. Punta tayo sa quick panels. Ayan, naka dark mode po siya, and I will recommend this room for daily usage because ang ganda ng battery backup niya guys. Napaka solid. Ayan, standby lang po yan, which is more than 2 days left, 36%. I never use any apps of this. Ito lang yung mga apps niya, and naka-standby lang po siya actually. So balik tayo sa settings. So actually this room has a navigation bar in the bottom, pero I disable that. Pero kung gusto niyo i-enable, punta lang kayo sa settings and then PHH treble settings, then miscellaneous features. Then hanapin nyo itong force navigation bar, disable. Kung gusto nyo i-disable, i-check lang tapos i-reboot. Kung gusto nyo i-enable, i-uncheck tapos i-reboot yung phone. So guys, what are the bugs in this room? The bugs in this room is, first is yung brightness na when you set the brightness into 10 or lower than 10, you will get black screen. Here. Ayan. Wala po kayong makikita, so please don't set the bright. If you ever install this room, please don't set the brightness into 10 or lower than 10. You will get a black screen guys. And then the second bug is you can't use the flashlight. It always says camera in use, but there is no camera up here. So again, considering the third bug, which is the camera is not here, but it always says here the flashlight, camera in use. Where is the camera in this room? And then the fourth bug is when sometimes it will automatically reboot when you apply features. Just for example, this is dark mode, and then you will applying the theme, which is the light. Sometimes guys nagre-reboot po siya, pero ngayon hindi naman nagre-reboot na, so parang minsan lang. And what I like in this room guys is very fast here, tsaka responsive niya, and also yung nagustuhan ko talaga is ang bilis na niyang ma-unlock. Unlike sa other GSI na ang hirap i-unlock, Pero again, another bug is offline charging. You can charge this phone while it's off because offline charging is broken since Android 10 sa GSI. So ano pa ba? Ano pa ba ang bug dito? Wala nang bug. And another important thing guys is madidetect na yung SD cards. Yan. SD cards or memory cards are detectable. Detectable ba? Okay. So I think that's all for the quick review for this room. Let's head into the installation steps or installation guide. So guys, we are now in the installation guide or the installation part of this video. So first thing is boot your phone into recovery mode by pressing the power button, volume up, and home button at the same time. Here. So Samsung logo is now showing. And then the next is wait until the recovery pops up. Yan, I'm currently using the orange box recovery though. And then the next part of this is wipe your data by here. Just click the Dalvik catch system vendor data and internal storage. There you go. And then select or wipe to wipe, and then wait this until it says successful, and then go back and then click here the format data and then type yes. And then after this guys, you need to see if you have enough system partition size. Just go to into manage partitions, click the system here. We need this kind of size, so that's minimum of 3 gigabytes of system partition size, and if you have this, then you are ready to transfer all the files and then start installing. So let's go. So we're now going to transfer the needed files such as the Create Vendor 2.0, the room, the THEREALROM version 2. Let's get started. Just copy the file via USB cable. Okay. So we are now done copying. Let's see it if the file is already transferred. So here you go. The first zip is the LeOS ROM, the second is the Create Vendor 2.0, and then the third one is the THEREALROM version 2. The first zip that we're going to flash here is the Create Vendor 2.0, but by the way, all the links used in this video guys are pasted in the description. So just download this via laptop or PC and then wipe or start installing. Sorry. And then after installing the Create Vendor 2.0, it is recommended to reboot your device again into recovery mode. And then the second zip here is the first zip here, but this zip is a X or XZ file, so we need to unpack this to get the IMG. So we were unpacking the archive or archive. How do you pronounce this word? Archive, archive. Huh. I don't know either. So the purpose of unpacking here is to get the image file of the room. The image file is the file that we're going to use for the tutorial. Just watch in the video, guys, for you to understand. So this will take time anyway. It takes again, I think, 3 minutes or 10 minutes. But I'm just going to pack that. So while waiting, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell for you to be updated whenever I upload a new video, and also you can like this video, share into your social media, and leave in a suggestion below. And also thanks for the EXYNOS 7870 community and to all the moderators and the room developer of that community, especially Astraco for the create vendor, and for this room, thank you so much for Harvey186. So yeah, again, all the rooms files are linked in my description. Let's check that later. So now this is successful. Go back and then click, it's now IMG file. So click and then select as system image and then swipe to install the image. This is the way of installing a room, guys, as a GSI room. So now this is successful, and then the final zip that we're going to flash is the THEREALROM version 2. So there is a red thread here, but don't mind that. Please do not mind that error, which is failed to mount system root. Just ignore that and then click the reboot system. You can see now the room is booted on our Samsung Galaxy G7 Prime. This is now the LeOS logo again. So we will wait this until it will reboot, and then just to show off that it's really working on our device. So here, select a home app, which is a quick step into the launcher. I already discussed this in the first phase of the video. Just click the quick step for just once, and here you go, the room, guys. This is now the LeOS. So yeah. So anyways, this is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Enjoy watching, guys, and see you next video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next video. Bye.